So you're in the middle of a divorce or custody fight, and you want to make a major change. You want to move, start a new job, start a new relationship. Before you leap into anything, stop and take a moment and figure out your next steps, right? Moving is difficult enough, right? There's packing to do and all the cost associated with relocating. And if you've been in a relationship and you have children, there's a lot you have to navigate. You have to navigate cooking, cleaning, helping the kids to school, back from school, all of that now on your own. And add on top of that, trying to relocate and get familiar with a new place, that's just a lot of stress you don't need right now. So just take your time. If you don't have to move, just stay put. There'll be a new place in a few months when you get through this, right? Just take one step at a time. Don't leap into two big major life transitions at the same time, your divorce or custody lawsuit and finding a new place. Same with a relationship. Especially if you're coming out of a relationship that was very unfulfilling for a long time, you're probably eager to start a relationship where you do feel fulfilled and loved and heard and cherished. But now's just not the time. You have a lot from that prior relationship that you need to unpack and decide, do I want to keep doing it this way or do I want to do something different? And it's perfectly okay to be alone for a minute and be with yourself and figure out who you are and what you want out of another partner. So when you're in the middle of a divorce or a child custody case, it's really not the time to start a new relationship because you have so much of yourself you have to give to the people who are already in your life and this litigation that there really isn't much left for you to give to someone else right now. Third, about a job change. Look, it might be a fantastic opportunity and you have to change your job because of what's going on in your life right now. However, especially if you're divorced or your custody suit, it's going to be difficult. You're going to need a lot of patience and understanding from your current employer if your employer provides that, because you may be needing to meet with your attorneys, take phone calls, go to hearings, go to trial, go to deposition, go to mediation. And that's a lot of goodwill capital you're going to have to expend. And it's just harder to get it from a new employer than an employer who you've been with for a while. So, of course, sometimes you have to move because you're going through a divorce and one of y'all have to leave the home. And sometimes you have to start a new job because you've gone from a double income family to a single income family and you need more money. But if you don't have to make these big changes, you already have such a big change in your life right now that's going to cause, a lot of your time and energy and effort and mental health. Don't put two things on you at once. So basically, just look before you leap, right? You've got time. That life is waiting for you. You don't have to rush into it. It will be there for you when you're done with your divorce or your child custody case.